Next one will be, let me see, I do not know myself also. Alicia DURAN. Field of research glass. Glass is one of the most sustainable materials existing today. It's not the only one, but one of the most sustainable technologies, materials that exist today. Congratulations, congratulations. And the certificate. A big reason. That's a Spanish spirit, huh? Spanish and Argentinian spirit. Let's have as per tradition, we have to have this picture for our, you keep it with your hand like this. And I keep that, you keep my hair. This is our standard. No, you have to sit like that. You can say a few words.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the first. And I have to say, really, that is a wonderful prize. It's not really a prize to me. It's a prize to a wonderful, incredible network of scientists, technologies, industry, education, and thousands of glass artists that are together decided to build a new world, a more sustainable and more fair planet. We are all convinced, really, and I wish you also convinced that glass is the main tool to build a new planet, a more sustainable and fair planet. For glass.
That you have a glass in your hand. You have a glass in your hand. Okay, so what else? I have not seen it. These are some pictures. By the way, she was not aware of getting the award, but we have a symposium dedicated to her. So these pictures are gathered because of the symposium, not because of the award. Okay? So this is Alicia in the Nice in 2074, in 1980, and here the prize of ICG in 1988, and here with her mother in 2012, a science fair, and still she has not changed. She's exactly the same way she speaks all over. She is, by the way, the organizer of International Year of Glass in 2022. And here is in Venice in 2019. And Phoenix Award was given in 2019. In Federation of Science Workers in 1989. So a Glass Seller Award in 2022. That's why she said, for the glass. Now you understand.